In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a complex shape from a plane mesh. Let's create a plane. Tab to go to edit mode. Right-click and S to subdivide. Select 4 faces in the middle and delete them. To edge select, and Alt-select the edge loop like this. Press Shift, Alt, and S together and move the mouse to create a circular pattern. E to extrude. Ctrl R to create a loop cut. Shift Z to go to wireframe view, and 1 to vertex select. S, Y, and 0 to straighten the vertices like this. In face selection mode, let's shift select these 4 faces and extrude them upward. We don't need these faces. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. We could press Ctrl R to place multiple loop cuts, or just use bevel with Ctrl B instead. In edge selection mode, Shift and Alt select multiple edges like this, and Ctrl B to bevel them. Let's remove the bottom faces and mirror the mesh. This issue occurred because the subdivision modifier is located above the mirror one. I'll add a metallic material. Let's add the array modifier. Shift D to duplicate. I'll add the simple deform modifier. Let's create a ground plane and set up the render scene. Select the main node and press Ctrl, Shift, and T together to add the PBR texture images. To use the Ctrl, Shift, T feature, we need to activate an add-on called the Node Wrangler. I'll use the sky texture. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.